I just go back from work like this, and this trade just changed my mood. It just spoiled my mood. This is a trade from a day or 2 days ago, I suppose. And since the day I opened this trade, since the day I opened this trade, I haven't checked on it. This night, this minute, before I open this camera, I just said, let me check on it and see what's going on. I went to my chat. I was happy with the chat, and when I came to my profile, boom, this happened. I don't know how to explain this, but I'll come to that in a moment. Fams, I won't lie to you. I just need some kind of consolation message right now, because a lot is not going well in my personal life. My personal life is frustrating me, and it's starting to affect me. It's starting to physically affect me, both in my trading and in my daily life. I don't really know what to call this. I don't know if you have ever experienced a stage of your life where it feels like life is testing you, because I just want to believe that this is life testing me, because at this stage right now, it just feels like giving up is just the best solution. This kind of things that happen to people when you hear that someone committed suicide. There's a lot not going well in my personal life, and which I'm not going to bore you guys with. I just said it on this channel because this channel right now it's more than a documentary channel for me. It's like a community where I share my pains, my ups and downs. And at the time of making this video, this community is currently at 31 subscribers. So let me know the number you met it at. I'm not going to bore you with my personal life. I'm a man. I'll face my problems and I will overcome it by the grace of God. For now, I will show you guys the trade I took on Euro USD, and I don't know how to explain how market took me out, because I'm still confused, and other pairs too. Even this NZDJPY trade that I just shared with you guys now, I don't know what the problem is. Chat, my trading view is showing me that this trade hit TP, but in my prop form it's SL. So let's just check this out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow this journey.
GBPJPY is the first pair that messed me up, and this is what it looked like. In my previous video, I shared the analysis. I explained it to you, and as you can see, this is how it went. Market just came back. It didn't respect the supply zone and just came back and took us out. We could have waited for our Ep6 setup, which was just a break above this place. That's the first loss, and the second one was on Euro USD. Euro USD is just a bad luck for me this week. I just think this week is not for me. Just filled with bad luck. Euro USD burned me out this week. This particular place burned me out while trying to catch a sell. I tried to catch a 3R sell here, just trying to counter trade. I would say that, yeah, counter trade. The initial plan was to buy from this demand zone here, but I saw an opportunity to sell and catch a 1 trade before that, and that didn't just go as planned because market came back and took me out. And let me just explain this trade a little bit. On this on 15 minutes time frame, I caught some kind of demand zone here. There's some kind of demand zone. We have a demand zone on this 15 minutes time frame, and this demand zone is actually valid because it broke structure. It's the demand zone that broke the structure. And for the trend, you know that for the past few days since this Trump stuff started, Euro USD has been on the bullish side. So I saw this demand zone as a buyer's opportunity. The initial plan was to buy from this demand zone here till I found an opportunity to counter trade it, and it didn't go well. So when Euro USD took me out, see, it's actually went as planned. It's dipped into this demand zone, and it's flying. If not, I've taken the fourth loss when this market approached this zone. I could have bought from this zone, but I couldn't just keep risking it. I've already taken more than I could. And had it been we went for a 1:3 here, it would have been a very nice trade. But that is it. The next trade that burned me out was gold. Gold also burned me out this week, trying to catch what is not there for me to catch. Gold burned me out here. While I try to catch the move to this downside. I tried to catch this move to this downside, but that didn't just go as planned because market came out and took me out with this candle, making it my third loss. So the plan for this gold was market of course was on a very strong bullish, which is this trade I took was just a counter trade, a counter trend, that is trading against the trend, which didn't work out for me. But this wasn't a bad setup after all, because it met up with all my inquiries. Market was trending high, then all of a sudden it had a minor trend, a minor downtrend, and that was the move I tried to catch. I was trying to catch this move to this zone, to this place I marked up, but it didn't went as planned. So that's the third loss. And the loss that pained me the most, after I decided to stop trading any pair related to USD JPY, to USD, the loss that pained me the most is this NZD JPY. This one pained me the most because look, this trade hit TP here, it hit my take profit here, but when I got to my trading, when I went to my broker, it was a loss. It was a loss, and I was confused. The same SL, check the same SL 83912, and the same take profit, the same entry point, but market just took me out. I don't know what the problem is. Some people that I asked said maybe it's different in price, the others said it's spread, but I don't think this is spread. And the plan for this was actually to catch the tap into the supply zone, above. On the daily time frame, market was on a downtrend on this daily time frame. So after market broke this structure, it left an unmitigated supply zone, which my plan was to catch the next tap into that supply zone. So after that, I went to the 4-hour time frame and see that market has changed direction. That is, it has started its minor trend, uptrend. And how do I know this is it? This is what it looks like on a minor uptrend. After we had this push down here, market had another high here, broke, but didn't continue. Rather, we had a break of structure. This particular place broke this side, a break of structure here. We had a pullback and another break of structure, which means to me that this is kind of a minor uptrend that will tap into the supply zone. So I tried to catch this trade. I found a supply zone at the 1 hour, was it 1 hour or 2 hour time frame? At this 1 hour time frame. Let me go down to the 1 hour time frame. At this 1 hour time frame, I tried to catch this trade here. I found my supply, I found my demand zone at the 1 hour time frame. This was the demand zone, and this is the fair value gap. This is the structure that it broke, and I placed my SL just at the last candle, here. Market didn't came back to take this out, but it took me out on my prop firm. So that is it. This week is a bad luck week for me. Just like I said previously, from next week I will try my best to avoid anything related to USD. For now, I'll try to avoid it because it's going crazy right now on the USD. I hope and pray to pass this prop firm, honestly. Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. That is my only source of motivation to continue riding on. Until next time, always have in mind that
a creative mind is a fertile land for growth.